welcome to my channel. This is Joanna Leo. How are you? If you are subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, what are you waiting for? For this video, I will show you the process of me drawing this Leo girl that I made for fun. This doesn't have an owner yet, so if you want it, drop me a message. I don't really know what kind of stories you guys are interested in hearing, so please tell me in the comments, because inspiration can only get me so far. I'm gonna tell you a quick story from my childhood that I tell all the time. So something you might not know about me, or you might if you actually met me because I don't shut up about it, is that I am a vegan. Now, I wasn't always a vegan and I was not a vegetarian before, so it was quite the transition, or like I did it cold turkey. I mean, is that vegan? I did it cold tofu, okay? Just one day to the other, I was vegan, and I've been vegan now for 4 years. But it's something that was always in my head, so this is where the story comes in. When I was 5, we spent the weekends in our country house. It makes it sound like really bougie. It wasn't. It was just like, it was a house that was in the countryside, but it wasn't like bougie or anything, okay? Don't come for me. Yeah, I used to spend the weekends there with my parents and my godparents, and they used to buy vegetables and chicken and other produce from the farmers from the village, because it's just better quality. You end up not having to pay massive corporations, so that's what they did. And this one time, the lady brought a live chicken to our home, and I did not know what she was about to do to the live chicken, okay? She let me play with the chicken. I was like hugging the chicken, running around with the chicken, you know, just completely fascinated by this new animal that I had just met. And I was like very into animals as a child, so I had a good time. And then my mom told me, Joanna, you need to go to your room. I'm sorry, Mom, this is a horrible impression of you. Please don't be mad at me. So yeah, she said, okay, Joanna, you need to go into your room. So I went into my room, and when I came out, there was no chicken, but there were still all the same people around. And I looked around, and I see what I now know was a chicken, but without the feathers and looking like it looks like in the supermarket. So very hard to recognize that as an actual chicken, I'd say, for a 5-year-old. But I guess my 5-year-old brain must have put the pieces together and figured it out, because I then, according to my mom, looked very angrily at the lady that brought the chicken and pointed at her in a little j'accuse moment. And I said, it was you, Brutus. No, it was you, miss. You killed the chicken. And I was very upset. So my mom came over and she told me, look, Joanna, you needed to grow up strong. Again, this impression is really bad. Yeah, so you need to eat the chicken and you need to grow up. And you like roasted chicken, you like chicken soup, you like all of this, right? And I was like, yeah, okay, I guess. And I never really questioned it till I was 23 years old. I think in that moment, I really just showed my true colors. Like, if I had to kill an animal to eat it, I wouldn't. And like, you know, not judging you if that's what you choose to do. Maybe judging you a little, okay? But like, we all are. It's impossible to not be judgy, okay? But yeah, I'm not coming from a judgy point of view here. I'm just like trying to analyze myself and see, like, did I always really feel this way? And the mental gymnastics that I had to do to put it behind me and to not associate what was on my plate with the cute animals that I like to play and I like to pet. So yeah, that's the story, I guess. There is no real moral to it, but if you find one, please comment it below and I will have a fun time reading it. Okay, and that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're already subscribed, thank you. And if you're not, that big red button down there, click it. And for both of you, do not forget to click the bell button, because it defaults to just some notifications, and I'm sure you'd like to hear every time I post. Just kidding, who the hell would? Okay, bye, see you next time.